Is it the source factory? Yes, it is. Cast steel bracket durable? Definitely durable. We self-warranty 5 years service life of up to 20 years below the wind and snow endurance problems. Tripartite test report. Can we visit the production site? Definitely can. Let's go to everyone to see our production site first. Give you an introduction to our UFIN bracket. It is how to carry out. We are after the mold, one-piece molding. It is the whole without any limitations on the track. It's one-piece molding. This is the UFIN bracket. Is in the UFIN 3 generations of the face of the most important part. It is to play a role in the support of the strength of the toughness of it in the low and high temperature are the requirements of the strongest because this product is used in the outdoors. We are now in the product of the quadrilateral subframe. We first look at our production site. Take a look at our production site to do our bracket test in the